everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 628 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out this Unicorn Glow Longwear Primer from the brand L.O.C.K color, and this was part of my October Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box. So I actually have already tried out a Unicorn Glow primer. I tried out the hydrating version, which is in the blue packaging. And if I'm being honest, I didn't love it. It actually was very mattifying to my skin, but so that kind of makes me intrigued to try out this formula to see if this one actually does what I expect it to do, because this one says that it's supposed to give a glowing complexion. It says it's formulated with jojoba oil, shea butter, and chamomile. It's supposed to create a smooth, glowing canvas, providing coverage for fine lines and pores. It's cruelty-free and paraben-free. So I definitely need to add some glow to my skin, and very interested to see what this will do for my large pores. So I'm just going to squeeze a little bit onto, well, that's not exactly a little bit, but it's got like a beige color to it. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to half of my face, and then we'll see if there is a difference in the glow in my pores. It has a creamy texture, so a little bit thicker than like a lotion, but just still very easy to blend onto the skin. I do really like the feel of it. Feels really nice and moisturizing. And I probably applied more than you would even need to, but that's okay. That way we can really see. All right. So is this side of my face a beautifully glowing canvas? I honestly don't really see a difference. No, there's no difference. Let's see. I will say though, it did a really nice job of blurring my large pores. Like these pores on my cheeks compared to this side look really good, like so minimized that I don't even feel like I need to cover them up. So I didn't get any glow difference, but at least it lived up to that claim of blurring pores. I'm really happy with how my pores are looking. And I'm happy with the texture. It's not very tacky. It kind of just feels like a cream. So, not disappointed completely. I wanted it to give a glow, you know? Some dewiness, some shine, but it doesn't. And that's okay that it doesn't, but I just feel like this company, this is what happened with the last primer I tried. I just feel like it's deceiving because they call out this glowing effect, and it's even called Unicorn Glow, but there is just no glow in my opinion. I feel like they should just call this like a pore blurring primer, or like something that doesn't emphasize glow, because it really is beautiful at minimizing and blurring the pores. Like one of the best pore minimizing primers I've ever seen on my skin. And that's saying a lot because I've tried out a lot of primers and I have very large pores, but I am actually blown away by the results right now. And I feel like that's what this company needs to emphasize. Rather than emphasizing the glow, they should emphasize how amazingly smoothing it is to pores. Like I am happy with how my skin is looking. I feel like it did a great job of just very, evening out that texture where I feel like I don't need to apply foundation. So this is a great just throw on, no foundation days type of product. But for the fun of it and to get a full review, I am going to apply my foundation on top. So I'm going in with the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation, because this is the foundation that I review all of my primers with. It's a great, inexpensive foundation that doesn't have those skin enhancing benefits, so that's why I like to use it when reviewing primers, because it lets me know how my skin actually looks underneath. But I just switched over to a new e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation, and they definitely changed up the shades. The one that I used to use, I couldn't find that shade anymore. So the one that I'm using today is a little bit more yellow toned. And I personally need more of that cool tone. But I can still make this work. I feel like the foundation is blending out really nicely, very smooth and even. And I'm just adding some extra coverage over the redness on my cheeks. But also, I'm really able to tell how this primer makes my pores look texture-wise underneath this foundation, and it's looking very smooth, which is good because it not only minimized the appearance of the pores, but it also smoothed out the texture so that my foundation sits so smooth. Like, you don't even tell that there are pores under there. It just looks like flawless, poreless skin. Oh, I just love it, because that's what I want. I hate when my foundation settles into my pores and then there's all this texture along here, but no, it looks so smooth. So now that foundation is applied, I don't get any glow. This primer is also pretty mattifying to my skin, which is not a bad thing. I like the finished texture of my skin and my makeup, but if you're looking for a glowy primer, even though this is called Unicorn Glow, I don't think that this is the glow primer for you. But if you want a mattifying and extremely smoothing and pore minimizing primer, then absolutely this is great. And that's what I want. I want a pore minimizing and smoothing primer. I like the look of mattified skin, so I like this primer. I'm definitely going to get great use out of this for days when I'm not wearing full foundation, because this is all you need to get that smooth complexion, which I'm so excited about. Oh, I also wanted to mention that the full-size version of this retails for $12, which, after seeing how well this performs, I think that's a great price point. This is a smaller version. I'm not so sure how big the full-size version is, but you don't need that much of this, so even this amount here is going to be able to last me for at least a few months, I would think. So if you've tried this primer, of course I would love to know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. I also, when I was looking at the L.O.C.K color website, it looked like they had some other primers and some other makeup products that I'm very intrigued by, so I'd love to know also in the comments down below if you've tried any other products from the brand L.O.C.K color, and if you have any recommendations. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.